said, you can bring your sister here, but somebody said that you need a proof of something over their business that make sure that you will come back. Ang sarap ng lato, pero paminsan talaga mapaisip ako sa lato. Totoong lato ba ito?
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys. Anyway, oh my goodness, it's 10:30. Nabisi lang ako sa gawain ko. And meron tayong mag-ano lang ako sa basement. Meron akong titignan kasi kailangan kong mag-defrost. Marami tayong pagkain pero hindi man lang tayo nakapag-defrost ng pagkain. So yun, titignan natin yung freezer natin. Maghanap tayo ng ma-defrost. Dalhin ko sa baba. Chicken for the dog. Ito patlak. Ang daming steak. So tanongin natin siya kung gusto niya ng steak. Meron din tayo dyan. Meron pa dito, naka-file. Bago ito masira kasi it's really nice steak. So I can cook this for him. This one here. He would love that. But tanungin ko muna siya. And I can have this. Or we can. Tanungin ko muna siya, guys. Oh, nice one. This is a nice steak. Oh, naman. Tanungin ko muna siya bago tayo mag-out ng steak. Yan. Nakakaloka. So, hindi ko alam kung anong plano ngayon. Na ano lang ako, guys, nag-edit, and then, yun, ang dami kong ginagawa sa Tami. What do you feel like for dinner?
So burgers.
Huh?
We'll just have burgers.
Burger or steak?
Burgers.
No steak? I've been downstairs.
We'll have burgers up there.
Huh?
We'll have burgers up here.
Okay. So I guess there's no steak, guys. The steak will be bad before we eat it. So he want burgers, okay.
If you want steak, then do the steak. I don't care.
Look, but you mad. Look at that sound.
Because you're sitting there, you know, you ask me and I give you an answer, and then you like making noise like, oh, if you want something different, then don't ask me. Just say, this is what we're having for dinner. See how easy that works?
Trim your hair.
I
will do dried fish.
Get the friggin' steak.
Ito ang Dimples, sleepy. Tinulugan na ako ng mga kasama ko dito sa bahay, guys. Ako na lang dito nagtikaw-tikaw. Yung mister ko nakabalik sa kama. Yung Roxy tumabi. So yun yung ganap dito sa bahay. Kaloka. Itong si Roxy palagi na lang itong kasama sa dada niya. Palagi na lang ako nilang iniwan, guys. Ako na lang talaga dito mag-isa palagi sa bahay. Andito man sila. Pero sobrang boring. Kasi nga, tignan nyo naman yung nagagawa nila sa akin. Tulog lang sila ng tulog. At saka itong pusa ako dito. Gusto din mag-sunbathing. Malapit sa bintana. Tinitignan ko din si Misty. Andun din siya sa ilalim ng lamisa. O, diba? Nakita lang ako bumangon. Hello. It's time to cook na. It's almost 6 o'clock. Burger po tayo, guys. Yun. Kakaibang ano ito, burger. Maghanap tayo ng cover kasi I need a cover.
Also keep in mind,
What is that?
I gotta go take care of Zoe tomorrow.
Huh?
You gotta take care of Zoe tomorrow, too.
Yeah, so?
I'm just letting you
We're
know.
all here.
What?
We're not leaving.
I know, I'm saying. Well, Andrea has to take care of Zoe.
Ay, tomorrow? Hala.
Sunday. They
Why
left.
they told you that?
No, well, they left today, so Zoe's been alone all day and night today. We got tomorrow.
Why did it ask you?
Angela did.
Oh, so now you're gonna be the cat nanny.
Yeah.
The cat caretaker, hon. That's what it is. I'm serious.
Cat taker.
You're a cat taker. It's time for us to leave. And it's time for us to leave and bring our kids. What is the requirements, guys, to have a visa to come here? If you let your sister come over here to visit, is the sister can visit or no, or the parents only? So, let me know guys kung makabisita ba yung siblings dito for 6 months, like a tourist visa, kind of, 6 months kind of thing. So, let me know. So, requirements, I know somebody said, you can bring your sister here, but somebody said that you need a proof of something over their business that make sure that you will come back. So, you have work over there. But kids, I think having kids is enough proof that you will come back. I don't know. So, I will ask you guys if you have a relatives, you have your sister, you know somebody that may dinala sila ditong siblings. So I'm confused. I really wanna bring my sister here. Not my parents. They won't survive here. They won't. They like it. My father cannot even survive to be in Davao. Gusto niyang pabalik-balik sa probinsya, yung hindi siya makuntinto. Yung gusto niyang ganun yung katawan niya. Like, dun. Gusto niyang magpa-farming talaga. So, yun. So, yung sister ko, gusto kong dalhin dito. Yung dalawang sister, I think it's too much money, eh. I think only one. Yung isang sister ko lang si Inday. Inday! Kasi silang lang kasi, ang daming anak. Hala, anak-anak pa more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 na, diba? Parang baboy. Joke lang. So, yun. So, yun yung plano. Yun yung gusto kong gawin para naman, Pero mahirap man kasi, ang mahal din kasi din. Baka yung isa next time, ganun. Mahal ba mag-process ng passport? Yung kukuha ka ng passport, and then yung ticket. I know ticket magkaano, round trip. Make sure na round trip yung ticket to make sure that you come back, diba, sa Pinas. So, yun lang yung proof na magbabalik ka kasi yung sister ko walang trabaho talaga. And yun, meron kang proof of doon na talagang babalik ka. So, yun siya. So, yun. So, we're gonna have salad, love. Paalam na aking mahal. Masakit isipin. Burger is life. Burger is life. This is a really good burger, love. You did good job with this. I know you're the one who said, oh, this is really good burger. Yan na yung burger, guys. Meron tayong isa dyan na hindi pa luto kasi nalagay ko last. So, yun siya. I'm looking for cleaner because maglinis ako sa doon sa taas. Kailangan ko lang linisin yung bathroom doon kasi alam nyo na linis habang si Mr. is nagluluto siya ng pagkain doon. Mukbang tayo mga kalamon. Mga kakusog mulamon. Tikman natin ha. At saka guys, yung leftover na chicken. Gustong-gusto ko siyang mga ganito. Gusto kong lutuin sila ulit. Yung mga leftover. Iba't ibang klaseng pamamaraan na para magustuhan ko siya. Chicken po ito. With turmeric. Lato guys, lato mo diha. Nagtagpo-dakpo si Shark, yung robot. Ang sarap ng lato. Pero paminsan talaga mapaisip ako sa lato. Totoong lato ba ito? Or fake? Para man siyang totoo, guys. Roxy! Rox! Sarap ng lato. Roblox! Wawa! Hi, Roblox. Sarap ng sarap nito. Lato. Sarap. Tumawag yung sister-in-law ko. Akala nila magpunta ako sa magpunta ako sa bahay ng isang kapatid ni Tame. Pero ang dami kong gawain kasi hindi ako magpunta. Ang pinunta lang naman doon, magkita-kita sila is gusto nila makita yung apo ng kapatid ni Tame. Kasi hindi sila dito nakatira. Andito kasi. So, gusto nila makita yung apo. Pero nakita ko na kasi siya. Kasi nagpunta sila dito. Kaya, hindi na ako pupunta. Nagpunta sila dito kasi the whole half day. Andito sila. So, kalaro ko yung bata. So, kaya, okay na. Yung iba, hindi bumuka. Hindi lumaki. Pero, okay lang yan. Sarap. Ito, buti na lang nakikita natin ito sa yung Canva. Pero yung isa, yung gusto, hindi ko man lang nakikita. Yung isa na kailangan i-boil. Ano yun? Yun lang laman tayo. Yung gusto, kailangan kasi yun siya i-boil ba? Masarap din yun guys, grabe. Yun siya. Yun, matagal ko na talaga yung nakain. Since andito ako sa US, hindi ko nakain. Kasi wala akong makikita na yung gusto. Yung green din siya, na vine, na sanga-sanga. Pero meron akong hindi kakainin talaga na seaweeds. Is yung yung parang worm. Hindi ko yan kaya guys kainin. Talagang hindi kaya. Yun ba? Burger.